Arukugambaho n'abanyamakuru bwanyuma y'okukinga omukoro gw'okuhandika ababeire nibetengwa okwehandikisa eminyeto enkwata butaba barukwingana 29 okurwa mu district ya Kasese. Koloneli Richard Seguya Kitata ari omudumizi w'ekibinja ky'engabo z'ihanga ekya Mount Divisional Operations kandi ari mukuru w'ebyokutendekwa yarugayo kushoborera ngu babasa kutunga abantu 163 omuri abo harimu abakyari 12 n'abashaija 501.
But it's rather unfortunate that Kasese as a district was allocated 209 candidates, but unfortunately we can only afford 163. Reasons I don't know.
Koloneli Seguya yashoborera ngo omukoro ogwo gw'okuhandika abarukwegita iheri ihanga abasya kandi beine ekigendererwa ekyokurinda obusinge omu ihanga.
I don't know whether we are not interested in our country such that we contribute to the numbers, to the forces that will ensure that our country remains peaceful, such that development can go on and on and on.
Koloneli Seguya yahagabusha abatendekwa abangu basigaze emichwe omukutendekwa kwabo kwona.
We started like you, but because of discipline, the number one pillar in your development is discipline. Discipline involves everything, including loyalty to your leaders.
Entuma y'omwembezi w'ihanga mu district ya Kasese RDC Lieutenant Joe Walusimbi yasima eminyeto ahabw'okusharaho kwegita omu iheri ihanga arikushoborera ngu emirimo ey'abashomero kusitamu omuri za ofisi tekanyire omu ihanga.
President considered seeing that the youth, because what is comparing the youth are not recognized now. In police we are recruiting your age, in UPDF we are recruiting your age, even the next year the same age. But don't think that white collars are many. No, they are not enough. And you are lucky to be part of the mighty UPDF, which I think you are not going to regret.
Gasha kwa alineitwe Godwin Bwambale omuri Kasese.